let us understand working planes in SketchUp. So you have three coordinate axes, right? So then you'll have three working planes. So this working plane right there is your X and Z working plane, and there it is your Z and Y working plane, and right in front is your Y and X and Y working plane. So let us just draw geometry in all the working planes. So let us pick a rectangle, but don't worry about the details of it. We'll again discuss rectangle in our future classes, right? So as I try to draw a rectangle along your X and Z plane, right? So you can see the color of the geometry is blue, right? It is indicative that I'm writing a geometry along your X and Z plane, right? So again, if I want to draw a geometry right there, so it is giving a red color, right? So if it is coming a red color, then you're drawing along your Z and Y working plane, right? So you might be feeling it is difficult to control your working plane, right? So we'll discuss that in detail in our future classes. Right? So this we have drawn a rectangle along our Z and Y working plane. Here we have drawn a rectangle along your Z and X working plane. So now we'll draw along X and Y working plane. So you can see your geometry is shown in green color, right? So this is, you can just see, you can just orbit and see. This is blue working plane, this is red working plane, and this is green working plane. Usually denoted by the left out color, right? For example, if I'm drawing it on this plane, that is X and Z plane, the left out color is blue, right? So that is a color your geometry is showing. So that's how you can identify your working planes. So understanding the working plane is very important. Please pay more time on this.